Hi guys, Wolverhampton Biker here. Just having a bit of a problem with my bike, can't get it to start. Now I'm hearing this, so what you guys think? It's in neutral, got plenty of fuel. I've even got jumper lines hooked up onto there to a trickle charger. And listen. I just do not know what's going on. Totally don't know what's going on. Tried bumping it, nothing. Don't know. Anyone knows? Please send me any advice. Thank you.